In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer chat in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. We'll cover 4 reliable approaches so you can clone conversations, archive them permanently, or move only the context you actually need. I'll walk you through each method, add quick tips to avoid common pitfalls, and keep everything clear and simple. First, the fastest way to clone a conversation into another account is the shared snapshot link. In your original account, open the chat you want, look to the top right, and click the share icon. Choose copy link to grab the public snapshot URL. Now switch to your second account. An easy way is to log out or use an incognito window to avoid mixing sessions. Paste the link into the address bar and load the page. You'll see a static view of the full dialogue. At the bottom, click Continue. Continue this conversation or clone chat. Instantly, the entire history becomes a live, editable thread in your second account's sidebar. Quick note. Anyone with that link can view the snapshot, so avoid sharing it publicly if the content is sensitive. If you need a permanent offline archive, use your browser's Save as PDF. Before printing, scroll from the very top to the very bottom of the chat so everything loads. Then press Ctrl+P on Windows or Linux or Command+P on a Mac to open the print dialog. Set the destination to save as PDF, set margins to minimum, and enable background graphics so the alternating prompt and reply cards stay readable. Click Save, pick a folder like Downloads, and give it a clear file name. This creates a durable record you can reference or share even if you later delete the original chat. To keep a project moving without copying thousands of lines, transfer only the distilled context. In the source account, copy the most finalized summaries, requirements, or code modules. In your second account, start a new chat and paste a structured setup. You can say, I act as an advanced systems developer and documentation manager. I'm migrating an ongoing project from another workspace. Below is the background context, active data arrays, and current state. Review it, acknowledge comprehension by summarizing our phase status in 3 bullet points, and get ready for my next directive. Use Shift+Enter to format neatly. This resets context, reduces noise, and gives you a crisp starting point. Finally, for a full library export, open Settings in the bottom left, go to Data Controls, and choose Export Data. You'll receive a downloadable zip by email. Unzip it, then open chat.html to browse your history in a familiar layout and copy anything you want into the new account. That's it. With link cloning, clean PDFs, precise context injection, and full exports, you can move your work anywhere without losing momentum. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next